the banner up. And yeah, today we're talking custom earplugs. So if you are in the market for anything custom, if you are looking for something that is going to solve the awfulness that can come from generic hearing protection, Google Big Ear. Check us out. We make the highest quality custom hearing protection that will allow you to be fully protected no matter the environment that you're in. So, biggest thing is figure out what you need. If you are looking for something that's filtered, you're looking for something that's going to be full stop, you're looking for custom headphones, we are a one-stop shop. So, Google us, check us out, reach out to me, and I'll hear you later.